Would you love a shipping container home with a 2-car garage? If your answer is yes, in this video we showcase an amazing modern shipping container home in El Sobrante, California, listed for sale for $1,450,000 US. Immerse yourself in a unique fusion of serenity and modern elegance in this private gated compound nestled amidst beautiful landscaped gardens in a coveted locale. The compound features 2 exquisite modern residences, a main house, and a well-appointed guest house. This secluded hideaway embodies the perfect balance between contemporary aesthetics and a sophisticated lifestyle. The main residence showcases 3 generously sized bedrooms and 2 lavish bathrooms. The guest house is a marvel of modern design with 2 spacious bedrooms and a refined bathroom. The main residence houses 3 sizable bedrooms and 2 opulent bathrooms designed to embrace natural light and the property's scenic surroundings, excluding a calming ambience. The open floor plan, accentuated by expansive glass doors and windows, invites you to a seamless indoor-outdoor living. From the entrance is a sleek modern kitchen that offers an inspiring place to craft culinary delights. It features high-end appliances, modern storage cabinets, an electric stove countertop, and stone kitchen counters. The kitchen sink sits in front of a large horizontal slit window to light up the sink space. The centerpiece of the kitchen is an island which functions both as a working table and a breakfast counter that can accommodate 4 without feeling crowded. A spacious dining area with a seating for 8 is located next to the kitchen, creating a nice dining area ideal for group dining or a large family setup. The lounge area features a stylish couch with 2 easy chairs, a coffee table, and a floor mat to define the lounge area. The living room appears larger because of the huge glass windows. The full-height glass doors slide back to flood the space with light and open up the room to outdoor deck living. Of the living area is the first bedroom. The spacious bedroom has a cozy double bed illuminated by large glass windows and fitted with a large closet for storage. Next to the first bedroom is a luxurious bathroom that features a shower cubicle, a toilet, and a vanity area with a large mirror to amplify the bathroom space. The second bedroom features a queen-size double bed with enough bedside stools and a large glass window for daylighting. The spacious third bedroom is fitted with a cozy single bed. The home's second bathroom features a shower cubicle and a toilet, plus a vanity with enough storage. The guest residence is a 2-bedroom house, a modern marvel offering guests a private retreat with all home comforts. The layout ensures privacy while maintaining a sense of interconnectedness with the compound's shared amenities. The front half of the house is an open living space with a kitchen. This allows the living area to be used for other purposes. The kitchen is installed along one of the container walls. It is equipped with stainless steel appliances, high-gloss white cabinetry, quartz countertops, a breakfast island for 4, which also serves as a home's dining area. The kitchen has got a large window which lets in plenty of natural light. Next to the kitchen is a cozy lounge area with comfortable chairs, a custom tabletop, and a plush area rug. Of the kitchen is the stunning bathroom. It has everything you need, including a toilet, a vanity, and a bathroom mirror to amplify the bathroom space. There are 2 bedrooms of similar dimensions in this particular cottage. The rooms accommodate comfortable double beds, a closet, and a sizable window for daylighting. The home is outfitted with recessed energy-efficient LED lights to complement the inside daylighting. The flooring is complete with hardwood vinyl flooring, giving it a sleek, modern look. The interior of the home is modern, airy with clean lines throughout, adorned with carefully chosen furniture pieces. The color palette for the interior of the houses is bright, making the spaces look bigger and brighter, giving that illusion of large indoor spaces. Uniquely tailored for leisure and entertainment, this extraordinary compound offers an array of outdoor features. For those seeking a tranquil escape, a zen garden, and a walking trail offering a peaceful contemplation, this is your nature of property. A swanky outdoor bar sets the stage for unforgettable get-togethers, and the outdoor movie screen creates a charming setting for open-air cinema nights under the stars. Raised planter boxes offer the delight of homegrown veggies and a garden-to-table experience. An automatic gate ensures secure and effortless entry, while the hidden gate provides easy access to the street parking. A sparkling pool beacons with the promise of refreshing swims and sun-soaked afternoons. This beautiful house is worth all the indulgence. Would you buy this amazing house for $1.45 million? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. Which part of this house appeals to you the most? Kindly also share your views in the comment section below. If you like this kind of videos, you are encouraged to subscribe to our channel, where we showcase the best of shipping container architecture from around the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.